Hello everyone, I welcome you all on this YouTube channel UPSC Logi. This is me Rahul and today we are going to cover the Indian Express for your public administration optional dated 8th of December 2021. So I have started this series and in the midway in the days like 6 to 14 I was not regular and this was one of the day when newspaper article for PubEd optional was there in the newspaper called Indian Express, but I was not able to cover this article at that point of time. So today on 19th December 2021 there is no article in the newspaper called The Hindu, and that's why I am referring and I am covering this backlog article dated 8th of December 2021. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to join the Telegram channel, Telegram group. The link is given in the description. You can also download the PubEd PDF current affair magazine for your public administration optional current affair. Let's get started. The most important article that you need to refer from this newspaper is this democratic road to despotism. Here you need to understand two keywords, and these keywords you can also mention in your answers as well. First keyword is phantom democracy. It is given over here, phantom democracy. Okay, so phantom democracy is nothing but a kind of despotism based democracy. It is the category, it is the classification of despotism. It is basically a concept in which democracy is existing in the country on paper, but in reality the leader of that democratic state is manipulating the things, and there is a kind of information asymmetry. You can say there is a kind of information. There was the article in the newspaper called The Hindu some years back or something like that. Informational autocracy was going on at that point of time. That was the context. That was based on the context when government was hiding the informations like unemployment data was released you can say after a period of time. Okay, it was leaked by some sources. Similarly, there at that point of time only there was the removal or the resignation of the officials of statistics commission, etc. So something was going on at that point of time, and at that point of time in that context informational autocracy was in the news. Informational autocracy means the government is hiding the information, but here we are not discussing informational autocracy. Here we are discussing phantom democracy. Phantom democracy basically means that democracy is only on the paper, but in reality the executive is controlling everything. Majoritarian government is controlling the different institutions and all the aspect. You can just understand in the criticism point of view. You can just remember this thing. You can quote this keyword in your answer in context of other countries, not in Indian context per se, but in other countries. Like for example, on paper China is democratic country, kind of democratic country, because there is election, but the principles, like there is only one political party, so the principles of democracy are not there, because there should be political parties, at least two political parties should be there. So on paper they can claim that we are democratic, but they are not democratic. Similarly, other countries like Russia is there. Similarly, in Myanmar also there is a kind of dictatorship regime as of now. So things are like this, and you can quote these. You can read this article for more understanding insofar as the phantom democracy is concerned. Remember this keyword, phantom democracy. The second keyword that you get in this article is the surveillance capitalism. Surveillance capitalism, again LPG reforms and other things are given in our syllabus, and on this YouTube channel UPSC Logi we keep on covering important keywords. Like some days back we have covered gated globalization. Some days back we have covered the idea of this technological sovereignty, digital sovereignty, or for that matter we have covered other things like in globalization there is the bubble of trust approach. So we keep on covering these things. Similarly, in democracy we have covered disciplined democracy in the previous month. So these are the keywords that you can drop, and here surveillance capitalism is nothing but the idea where capitalism is creating a kind of surveillance on the citizen of a country. For example, you can give the example of Facebook's Cambridge Analytica, okay, and that was used to manipulate the voters' behavior. And that's how you need to understand that how this capitalism is transforming the lives of the people, not only socially, economically, or for that technologically, but also in the context of political awareness and in context of voting behavior. So in this way you can link it with your political culture. Political culture is the part of your syllabus. Political culture is nothing but the you can say voting behavior, how the people react insofar as the political ideologies and ideas are concerned. And here you can mention capitalism, this surveillance capitalism. So there is a kind of linking between the things. Okay, I hope you are getting. Similarly, when we say phantom democracy, you can link it with the constitutionalism. Like constitution is saying something, and on reality, on the ground, we are witnessing something. So this is nothing but the example of constitutionalism. I hope you are getting. In this way you can link these two keywords, phantom democracy and surveillance capitalism. This is it for the day, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to join this channel, and you can also subscribe to the Telegram channel Pavitpedia. Link is given in the description box. Thank you so much.